Hello guys, this is Imad from Italy. This is my introduction video. I would like to introduce myself. Here is Imad. I'm original from Morocco and I live in Italy since about 15 years. And I learned Italian in Italian schools and with my friends. So I will teach you guys all Italian culture, Italian language, and everything about Italy. My English is not so perfect as you see, as you hear, and um, I will do my best to be very, very clear to everybody and to make my lessons clear as possible. So please help me and subscribe, like, follow, share with your friends, and this will be very, very helpful. I appreciate, guys, your help. And so see you in next lessons and wish you the best with Italian. Ciao a tutti.